go outside, stop the smoking. Wow, talk about to pull that moment. My mind's racing. So many things going through my head. This is probably the last brand new KTM 550 in the world today. This thing's never been ridden off road. I rode it to the end of the wood floor here in the museum, and I was sitting there. I almost called you guys down because I wanted to take it for a rip up the driveway so bad. Like every fiber in my body wants to go do a 3-gear wheelie on this thing, but